through the gates of hell, as we make our way to heaven through the Nazi lines. Viva Victoria!
Hello YouTube, today I will show you how to install a Minecraft server. This is just a vanilla server, so you can't install any plugins, and I will use hamachi because port forwarding won't work on my PC. I don't know why, but it's just freaking out. So first of all, you want to go to minecraft.net/downloads. Then you look to multiplayer server and you want to look after your type of computer. If you are using Windows, you go to this one. On Mac I do not know how to do it, but it's with this thing here, but I will use Windows, so I click on Minecraft server 1.7.10.exe. This is not right. Go away. I will click it, and now the download is starting. Then we go to our desktop and we make a new folder. We call it server or something else, it doesn't matter, just call it how you like it. And then we drag the download into this folder. It's a 3 here on my PC because it's the 3rd time I'm doing this, but it doesn't matter. Then you double click it to run it. Then you see some new folders appearing, and then you go to EULA, and then you change false to true. Then you exit and you save it. Then you run the server again. And now this window appears. Normally there are lots of things coming up here, but for some reason it isn't showing on my computer, but it runs. Then you close this, or you just type stop, it doesn't matter. I will just close it because I haven't saved anything. And then you go to OPs. Here you enter the name of the people you want to be an operator. Dude, that is mine. And I just save it. Then you go to server, and here are the properties of your server. Here you can choose the name of your world. I will just let it stay world because I don't have any other worlds downloaded in this folder. I will make a tutorial about that later. Then the next thing, enable query, I don't know what it is. Flight, if you want people to fly, just say true. Announce player achievements, this is for the server. It says if someone's completed an achievement. The port, I wouldn't touch that if I was you. The level type, you can do default, super flat, that sort of things. Recon, I do not know what it is. The seed is just a seed of a certain map you want to use. Forced game mode is forcing the game mode, I guess. Here on server IP, this is where we need hamachi. So go to log me in hamachi, the first link. I will put the link in the description. Then you click this and download, and then you just download it. I will go for Dutch because I speak Dutch in a while. And then you just install it. I don't need to do it because I already did it. Then you go to, if I can find it, No, I cannot. Me and hamachi. Then you will get a window like this. First, you will need to activate it by clicking here. Once it is activated, you create a new network. Choose a name, password, if you want to, and another password. You need to confirm the password. I won't do this because I already have one. Then you copy the IPv4 address, then you can shut it down. And then you go back to your server properties and paste it by server IP. Now the server is running from your computer. And everyone is able to join your server if they enter this IP address to direct connect or add server. Then we go the maximum build height. I'm sorry. If you want people to build 10 blocks high max, you just change it to 10. NPCs as the villagers. Whitelist, if you just say I can only enter with one friend, you just enable it and you add your friend's name in the whitelist. Animals, yeah, sheep, pigs, anything. Hardcore is just hardcore game mode. Snooper, I do not know what that means. If you are running a cracked server like I do, you just do this to false. Resource pack is just adding a resource pack. PvP is can you fight other people. The difficulty, monsters or not, food and stuff. Command blocks, if you are using command blocks, I'm sorry, just turn it into true. The game mode is 0 is creative, 1 is survival. 1 is creative and 0 is survival. I'm sorry about that. And game mode 2 is adventure. Player idle timeout, I don't know what that means. Maximum players, if you want 200 people, just add a no and change it to 200. Monster spawning, yeah, zombies and skeletons, you know. Structures of villagers and dungeons, just say true. And this is the maximum view distance you can use. And this is the message of the day. You can change it into anything you like. I will just say hello YouTube, and then you shut this down and save it. Then you go to add server. You can call it anything you like. I will just call it my server. And then the address. We need to go back to hamachi, or if you still have the IP address copied, just paste it here and click done. For some reason I cannot go. Oh yeah, right. First you need to run the server, of course. And now that the server is running, I cannot see if it is done with generating yet, so I will need to refresh until it is done. Voila, it's done. And now you have entered a new server. So I hope you guys enjoyed and see you next time.